In this lecture, we're going to show the difference between driving and driven dimensions. So let's create a sketch on the front plane. Let's go with rectangle, center rectangle, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's put some dimensions. Let's go to smart dimension. Let's go with this horizontal dimension. Let's go with 200 millimeters. And let's go with vertical. Let's go with 100 millimeters, like this. And now we can see that our sketch is fully defined. And now we add some other dimensions here, for example, of this center line, like this. Here we have some wording. So adding this dimension will result in our defined sketch. So here we have two options. We can add this dimension now as a driven or as a driving dimension. So let's go with as a driven. Let's click OK. And now we see that we don't have errors. We don't have our defined sketch. Let's click OK. We can see that this dimension is different color than those two dimensions. Those two are black and this one is gray, because those two dimensions are driving dimensions. Because if we change the value, for example, of driving dimension, this one here, 220, this is possible and our sketch is modified. But if we go here and we double click here on this dimension, we see that this is driven dimension and we can't change the value of the driven dimension. So the driven dimensions are only used as a reference. They are only used as a representation of some dimension. Now let's click OK. Now let's delete this driven dimension. Let's delete. Now let's go to smart dimension again and let's select this center line again, like this, and let's make the same dimension as before. But now we're going to choose leave this dimension driving. Let's click OK. And now we see that we have an error. Our sketch is over-defined. Let's click OK. Our sketch is over-defined and it's yellow. Now if we want to fix this, we can go and manually search here for an error, or we can go here over-defined. Let's click here. And now here on the left side, we have open Sketch Expert. So here we can go press manual repair. Let's check this one. And here we can see the relations with errors. And now we can fix those, or we can go here to diagnose and SOLIDWORKS will fix it for us. So let's click on the diagnose. And now we see that the SOLIDWORKS fixed our sketch for us. Now we have a black sketch and this sketch is fully defined. So the SOLIDWORKS fixed 5 relations. And here we can see the results. So we have 5 solutions of the 5 relations. The first one is vertical 2. We can go here to the right. Now we have the second one, distance 1. The third one, distance 3. We can see here. The fourth one, distance 9. And the fifth one, horizontal 1. This one. If we want to accept this, we can just click accept. And let's click OK. So the SOLIDWORKS fixed the sketch for us. So this is how you can fix over-defined sketch and how you can work with driving and driven dimensions.